The 2020 Buick Enclave comes equipped with an electronic precision shifter, which makes for a smoother and more precise transition from gear to gear. Unlike the precision shifters of the GMC models, the Buick Enclave shifter has the look of a traditional gear shift. To engage the shifter, first turn on your vehicle and step on the brake. To shift the Enclave in reverse, press the right button and move the shifter forward and to the left. You will see the R become illuminated. To put the vehicle in drive, press the right button and pull the shifter back. This will illuminate the D. To use the Enclave's manual mode, move the shifter back once for drive and then move it back again. You will see the L illuminate. To shift the vehicle into neutral, either from drive or reverse, simply press the side button and push the shifter forward until the N is illuminated. Finally, to put the Enclave in park, press the button on the top of the shifter. This will illuminate the letter P for park, and a small chime will ring, notifying you that your vehicle is in park.